I am here tonight doubly happy and, to be honest, a little overwhelmed, a little overjoyed by the kind words I've heard about myself and about my first cousin, Attorney Ivy Plaza Rosillo. Usually, when people say beautiful things about someone, it is always during a eulogy. It sounded like an advanced eulogy. But thankfully, this is not one of those occasions. As I am here, alive and kicking, to actually hear it. In fact, this might be the first time I've attended a tribute for myself where I didn't have to peek through the shoulders of someone just to know what people were saying about me. And honestly, it feels much better this way. Seriously though, I want to thank the Senator Robert G. Barbers Foundation, my family, friends, colleagues, and everyone present for this recognition you've shown me today. Each word, each story is something I will cherish while moving forward. It is not every day that I get to listen to such warm praises. And I assure you, I will replay them in my mind whenever I need encouragement or whenever I want to feel taller than I am. Once again, to those who organized this, thank you for giving me this precious and priceless gift. The gift of hearing your appreciation while I still can laugh, blush, and nod my head in agreement. I'm not a perfect person, but tonight you've made me feel that all my efforts, struggles, and even mistakes along the way, and I hasten to add, I did it all my way. I've been worthwhile, and for that I am truly grateful. So before this starts sounding too much like a real eulogy, let me end with a heartfelt thank you. God bless us all.
Congratulations!